Welcome to TechMac Robo. Today's topic is automatic irrigation system, in which we used moisture sensor which detects the moisture in soil. After getting the data, it automatically on and off the motor. Let's get started the circuit diagram. The center one is the Arduino. Let's connect first the moisture sensor with the moisture sensor data transfer module. The polarity is not mandatory. Let's connect the first VCT to VIN, ground to ground of Arduino, and DU pin to A1 of Arduino. The relay pin 1, 2, 3 are as follow: VCC ground input, connect VCC to VIN, and also you can connect as separately to VCC of Arduino and ground to ground of Arduino, and input pin 3 to the pin 6 of Arduino. Let's connect the motor with the relay and the AC power supply. One wire of motor directly goes to the AC supply, and second wire is directly goes to COM pin of relay and NO2 power supply. Let's connect all together. Let's do the programming part. Firstly, open an Arduino Droid in your smartphone and connect Arduino to it. Open the code. I will give the code in the description below. You can find it easily. The code is very simple. I use only if and else statement, so you can get it easily. So after compiling, connect your USB to your smartphone and upload the code. Open the serial monitor and check whether it is working properly or not. Yes, it is working properly. In this we can see that the soil have moisture, so our motor is off. When the moisture sensor get to know that the soil is dry, then automatically it put on the motor like this. When we remove our moisture sensor, it automatically turn on the water supply, and when we put again the moisture sensor into the water, it turn off the motor. You can use this process in your garden. It will be ease for you